All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. Firstly, pull the freezer drawer front down and remove the 2 screws on the right side hinge. Pop these to one side for later on. Then gently manoeuvre the hinge from the 2 holes in the side of the freezer section and pull away. It might be a little bit tight to begin with, so remove it slowly. Using the small circular hole on the new freezer drawer front, connect the left side of the freezer drawer front to the existing hinge on the left side as shown. Then connect the freezer drawer front to the hinge for the right hand side. Using the 2 back connectors on the hinge, gently insert these into the side of the freezer. Screw the 2 screws into the hinge and then make sure your new freezer drawer front opens and closes correctly. And that's it, you're all set to go.